In this video, we will show you how to install a printed banner into an L banner with top and bottom clamp bars. Every individually boxed unit includes a rigid carry bag, a 3-part bungee pole, one top clamp bar, and one bottom clamp bar with a weighted foot already attached. To install a graphic, we suggest starting with the top clamp bar. Open the top clamp bar and fully insert the top of the banner with the printed side face up. In this video, the white represents the front of the banner. Pro tip: ensure your banner is inserted into the correct side of the clamp bar, as demonstrated here in the video, and that the graphic is bottomed out in the back of the channel. Begin to press the clamp bar closed. Doing so slowly and evenly will ensure a smooth application without any wrinkling. Roll the clamp bar into the media, leaving the print side facing out to prep for easier installation into the base. With the print side of the media facing up and the foot of the bottom clamp bar resting at the back, open the clamp bar and fully insert the bottom of the banner. Begin to press the clamp bar closed. Do so slowly and evenly to ensure a smooth application without any wrinkling. The L-shaped stand can be assembled in 3 quick steps. Starting with the foot, turn the knob counterclockwise to loosen. Twist the foot 90 degrees perpendicular to the bottom clamp bar. Turn the knob clockwise to secure into place, but be sure not to over-tighten. Next, connect the pole sections together. Unroll the media and attach the clamp bar to the support pole. Set the bottom of the pole onto the weighted foot and ensure that it is all the way connected. Slide the pole fitting into the channel of the clamp bar, tilting the clamp bar back on almost a 45-degree angle, and once positioned, straighten the clamp bar to lock it into place. And just like that, you have one fully assembled, lightweight and sturdy L banner stand.